We dey salute una for outside this afternoon, country people dem. Tori wey we get am, we go enter for side for Manjo, wey at least 4 boy dem wey dey suspect say they don dey worry people dem for Manjo. They don enter for gendarme people dem hand. We go take una to enter for Kuseri. Sabi say people dem wey dey get caught for sika the fight wey happen between Arab Shua, Musgum and Massa. They dey also continue for look at them for the annex hospital for that side, so for Kuseri. Tori too go take we enter for Chang. According to Tori wey meet we, e dey tell we say na some young boy dem wey dey so they dey suspect or they dey accuse say na some uniform man e kill dem for inside nightclub. Tori we go talk to chapter for Ndamba African Nations Cup Cameroon 2021. Veron Mosongo Ongba wey be the Secretary General for inside Confederation for African Football dey Douala since for morning time. They don just finish comot for side for Japoma. Sabi say before one come, e be dey na for side for Olembe for inside Yaoundé. Other tori dem for Nations Cup we go talk am, plus newspaper and case for people that way they don lost. Tori for inside this afternoon, big people dem talk the tell we say dog e no get plenty teeth, but the meat wey e strong chop am e strong pass e teeth dem. I say dog e no get plenty teeth, but e dey chop strong meat. Big people dem talk e comot from President Kokoriko. Yes, na so they call it for Bonaberry, Douala for subdivision. We dey turn back some more time. We dey salute una country people dem another day inside Tori House, chapter by chapter. We take una enter for Manjo, na for inside a littoral region, and na for under Mongo division for inside we own a Benin capital country people dem. And for Manjo side, it be a day where people dem for Manjo say they glad after we at least 4 or 5 boys dem so na the see the way they come out for inside gendarme people dem office. Na boy the way they so Okada people dem they don't decry. Even people there they she down for Manjo they don't decry plenty for sake say they no fit sleep where they no hear say thief it don't happen for inside day. Oga DJ Bidja wey be the DO for Manjo say they be calling for inside gendarme office for brigade for side for brigade Manjo so na sabi just for it for can't see the work with the gendarme people them they don't do am, and they talk say na palava for plenty overcry where population for Manjo be don't cry for the commander for gendarme office for Manjo. Now for the way this investigate it happens so they catch that 5 boys them as we Tori enter for we here. Make we take una just now show na some of the thing them sabi say they catch this boy them one time when they catch them after when they finish show for population. Now for direct for courthouse. This Okada they own the see am so for before them na the Okada them that way they so then don't thief am from Okada people them in particular. Sabi say Okada man they come out with the Okada go up, but the boy them they come carry this Okada people that in them they go with them. So they talk just now they for court, from court they go sabi if their hand is clean or their hand is dirty. Now for day, make we hear wait to one of the chiefs them inside Manjo. He talk for microphone for Sirin Jemba.
For Manjo say, we thank you first, commandant the brigade, sous-prefet them, all authority for the village for what they do for me tip finish for this village, and me like a king for this village. I ask all population to give information minute by minute for commandant the brigade for king place, because if people for population they don't can give information, we not find we not bandit them, they not come up for the country. So I call all population for Manjo, all picking them, all mammy them. Make any man we don't enter for Manjo when they don't know, may they can signal for gendarmerie. I want to talk for population for Manjo.
Yes, now the chief that for side for Manjo where the beg population for work with gendarme inside far north region. Now for side for Kuseru the enter just now country people them. Yesterday we be talk about them. Today too we go so continue for talk chapter for this fight between Arab Ashwa, Musgum and Massa. Una go the ask and say these people them all now who them. One it they with their own they been in Ganako. Other one they been people there they catch fish. Other one they been people there they farm. All that one they be defined a place for water, and for sika that one plenty of the people them for around Kuseri they no get place where they she done just now. Hospital bed them all, they don't flop. We now only people them where they get caught on top this fight where don't they happen between this Nganako them, farmer them, and fisher people them for that side. So for Far North region, and governor for Far North region, where they call him the name will Sabi Mijiyawa Bakari. He says he go see some of these people that wait for seeker the fight between this Nganako farmer and fisher people them. He make a way they get caught. Governor, he don't promise security inside this zone for side for Kuseri. He go turn up strong just now. The doctor where they look all these sick people them for inside the regional hospital annex for side for Kuseri. He don't talk say they need plenty thing them. Governor don't talk say uniform people them. They don't bring them plenty just now, and they go continue for the follow up for say make this kind of thing it no happen again between these people them for Musgum, Massa, and even the Arab Shua and Sabi say population for plenty of this zone, particularly for inside Kuseri. All them they don't run enter the Nafo chart for Sika say they no sure about peace. But governor he don't talk again. Mijiyawa Bakari don't talk say now time this way. Even the imam them they get for help governor and the governor for say me they talk for the different people them we na them they control them. So Sabi say the market is also they so as so na Sabi plenty bine place them where they born only for Sika this fight between the Arab Shua. We get some of the and Ghana them, some them na farmer and other one them they be na fisher people there where they fight for Sika water we Tori he enter for inside we here. Now so we go come back for Douala country people them make we take on a go for Rue de Pavé. Now so they call them na road where they don't put ties them for day, and after we pass Valley Besenge you the one take on shot for back petrol station. Since Sunday the road no the pass. Since Sunday this road e no the pass, and the reason e dey clear. Una dey see am say pour for light o ejon catch am bam e don fall for road, and as so e fall for road block road, current e dey pass for that road. Company wey dey look out light or company wey dey give current e never pass for there at all for say make e look. See small pikin dem we fit talk say some of them they don big wey dey get sense. When they pass for the way current dey pass, then they forget themselves 1 second. They touch the current. Wetin we go see? Na die no. So the people then say they don't use na motor for block so that Okada them they no go fit pass. Even so, some head Okada they so can pass for the place. So maybe company where the local light, you know sabi say na thing this way dey happen for this Rue de Pavé as wey they call am for Besenge. Just for corner petrol station, that construct where you take you will go for railway station. Con the people motor them they know the fit pass, and the construct in the hell plenty time where place it tight. Then na for here where plenty of the motor they pass. Now una go notice and say traffic e don't even over plenty for Sika say motor them they no fit pass for here. Just for Sika say pole for light and current e dey for ground, and so today na number 4 day this. No nothing. So make the company he try for look that one for place where they call am say Chang country people them na matter again for uniform man versus civilian wey Tori wey enter for we here just now. He dey talk for we with the year say for that side for Chang fight between uniform man and civilian for inside nightclub. He don't make am way one civilian he don't die, and according to way people themselves they talk the fight start now for inside nightclub. Now why that would the show now the young boy this way they so the uniform man he use he friend them for say me they fight with the boys, so the boys themselves he die. So they talk just now even gendarme people them where the thing concern them they never yet talk on top the matter, but Sabi say plenty people them inside Bafusam Chang in particular when for the way the thing happen, all them they be there for the nightclub. Now the nightclub that where the thing happen they already block am for mortuary too for hospital for Chang. The family people them for this picky way they kill am. Uniform people themselves they be there for now. No talk it never happen. We never fit for confirm true wait he pass before the uniform man and the civilian they meet up. So the uniform man he kill civilian for inside nightclub. We go the follow up. I will go put our ear for ground as when nightclub says they don't block am after the incident way after the thing where he pass for that side. So for Chang now for West region where this one he pass, and Sabi say Bafusam too. Now one of the town them where he did so them go play Ndamba for that side. So na palava for all money I for shine. Make we take una one time, we talk chapter for hygiene and sanitation. It be then a keep clean day for that side, so for Newtown Areoport. People them for inside that Douala to them say they don't come out. They don't talk say no. This plenty dirty way some quarter them for Douala them dirty. They know the day. By force, no be na by force, but all man, people them, some of the people them for inside Newtown Areoport, we all them say they fall under Douala 2 subdivision. They be there outside for talk say no for this kind of parking the way motor they just can't park anyhow carelessly, and again for clean the compound, people them for open road them where water the pass. Sabi say plenty of this road the way Guataho the way they know they just dey now for the way plenty people them that they get sick. So it be been a time for the Douala 2, some of the hygiene and sanitation people them for Douala 2 for come out for move dirty for this road them, this small Guataho them where it cause plenty mosquito them for inside people them house. So they the beg na say make population too for Douala it try for keep one day apart from the Thursday the way we sabi say na normal keep clean keep Douala clean day for say make they clean them own compound so that sick e no go meet up them as we Tori enter for inside we hear. And Sabi Seb say the academic year, first term, it already finished. Country people them. Now first term this year don't already finish. And plenty school them, they already start for close. And some of the school them, as well they close, the small problem where they get, country people, it been a chapter for say waiting. Mommy them, they no be fee for pay school fees. Even book them, they no be fit for buy. And corona, plenty school they claim as well the top say they be look at the corona and they follow the order where it come out from a minister for primary school book. So school them, they don't start close. Sabi say this first term it will be one of the longest term with at least 4 months them we picking them learn book inside the academic calendar. And the next school year after 1st of May, make we hear waiting, or after 1st of January 2021, make we hear waiting the head teacher SSB talk.
Because plenty parents them complain say they not get money for pay school fees, so some picking them they will be sent away from school because of school fees, and they will miss exam. Some parents them do not be able to acquire didactic materials and for their picking them when textbooks and workbook them. So at times when you give homework, picking them to do the homework, when you want to do exercise for class, there is a lot of disturbances because picking them will not get textbook where they sit down for their own bench, they use them for do exercise for inside class. So now some of the challenges them that way we will get them. But now so as we will help for parents their back, they will be able, so one they will be able to come comply with all for pay their school fees. So one them they buy the textbook them for their picking them. So the school first thing here it don't come to an end successfully because majority of the picking them they don't pass their exams, and so many parents where they will be fit for comply with the school fees issue and workbook issue, they be happy.
So Sabi said this first term, just like the last year we finish, they get matter for corona, we worry place, and this first term don't finish. Corona, how the team pass, make we hear.
We be fit for purchase washing buckets for put them, then for bills not tap them for around the school compound where begin them to use and wash their hand. We provide hand sanitizer them. We give out face masks free to begin away. They don't come for school, they forget their own them for house, and then we make them in such a way now one picket per bench so as to respect social distancing as government we talk. So when you work out for all the classes, you will see now one child per bench, not be two picking up for one bench. Then we keep disinfect the environment every Saturday. We begin them, they don't go back house for weekend. Yeah, so before we don't come back for Monday, the school already be disinfected. So now so we don't do for they can survive.
And Sabi say for inside Limbe country people that will Sabi say some of the people them where they fix house them too they get plenty problem. One day where they fix house them with fine decor them they call themselves a staff. we take una enter for site for Limbe. We will get this problem for people then we they so they do this work. They complain say work in them they don't had, and we sabi say plenty of their work they need cement for do their work and decoration, and on top that one it no mean say they no go fit for continue. So just now with the years where they call themselves staff for inside Limbe, some 4 people them there where themselves say they don't join enter for inside this matter. Now for sika why that where some of them where they just come up for finish training for side for Limbe, themselves they don't enter for say may they see as where they go for before for this artwork where they ever happen for inside Limbe. Make we hear wait to one of the student them a talk for that side.
I do work for mafia. Then for mafia now, I get a breakthrough. Some person come from my life. It draw me in. And when it draw me in, I don't remember which way they for back. Or I don't remember which way they for fancy money or this. You see, I know. It tell me say, you, how way I don't draw you in. It give me money, give me all thing. So I wanna say, you know, this follow all staff members. All staff members. Because they will not get work. Because they work no get workshop. They will not get work. Your friend will call you. They tell you say, you get some place where they free. He go tell you say, they free. He go send me to them. I go work. When I go work, and then I look na money where take the work. I dey look na my own capacity. But at first I don't be taken serious for that kind of way. Because I believe one can look money, but that one can realize hey, there's something in. That's why you see I make even 3 years for you for graduate me. Because one can look at, but that one can realize you say achieve your goal before you look patrol 18. So that one can look patrol 18. Now SSF don't talk so okay, you get for graduate because you don't emerge.
And Sabi said this work where they fix house them, no be any kind of man, and also Sabi things them, they're not really easy that kind of way. Well, we go surely hear wait till the president to talk for we. Chenimpa. Make we remain for inside Limbe for inside the FACO division for Telona say this Oga Emmanuel Ngamba Ledu he been at the senior divisional officer for inside Limbe. He don't sign book for talk say as we Christmas Edicam or as we Christmas day for corner. You know one mommy them or papa them for buy a gun, play gun for picking them inside Limbe. And you know one here knockout for that side so for Limbe. Now the book that we Oga SDO for inside FACO division he don't sign. So na book we consign all people them for FACO division. No knockout, no play gun for small picking them for that side as we Emmanuel Ngamba Ledu he don't sign. Make we take una enter for chapter for Corona just now to 171,850,253 people them. Now the total people then that way they don't catch corona inside the whole world. We get 244,442,878 people them where they don't well from this corona for the whole world, and 5,339,977 people them where they already die for Sika corona. Now update that we come out from Weldomeda, this number 15 day for inside December. Now for Cameroon, according to number the way Minister for Sick People, Manauda Malashi, he give them for we country people them. We go try for see the number we Manauda Malashi give them according to the number them since we Corona enter for Cameroon. Now 107,662 people them where they don't catch Corona. One the way they don't well come up for sick bed. 105,307 people them where they don't already well, and people there they don't die since we Corona enter for Cameroon. 1,836 people them as of the talk just now. Now 519 people them where the day where they get Corona as we Manauda Malashi give them, and one day where the day on top hospital just now we get 28. Inside that 28 we get 13 people them where they use oxygen. And Minister for Sick People they talk make we continue for respect all other way they don't pass concerning this Corona. And if you fit that for you to go take your vaccine on top Corona, Manauda Malashi, Minister for Sick People, where he don't pass that order. Tori for outside country just now, for the first time, Emmanuel Macron for France, he go meet up with Assimi Goïta for that side, so for Mali. Sabi say Assimi Goïta, na that uniform man will take power by force for that side, so for Mali. And since we take power for by force, Emmanuel Macron and he, they be done the talk now only for telephone. So them two, they go meet up for the first time. No ask me, wait till they go discuss or wait till they go talk. But I believe, say all three they go surely talk. Now for see, as we team them, they turn back to normal inside Mali as we go the wait that their meeting where they get for meet up. And the Secretary General for CAF, they call he Veron Musongo Ongba. He be starts Iwaka for Douala today with a governor for Littoral Region, Samuel Jodene Ivaha Dibois. Now for the way Musongo Ongba, he start Waka for talk for governor say day for a town. And eager for Teki, he show the place the way they go use them for Douala here. Lucky said the only place where they go use them for Douala for this African Nations Cup, Cameroon 2021. Now Japoma Field, as well they finish for governor in office, direction for Musongo Ongba, he be there for that side. So for field for Japoma, if he enter for Japoma, where he did so the waka go for day. With the ESF say the one reach for Japoma with gate, it no be day open. So they be get for wait small time for outside before it did so. The people the way they look at the place, they go even come for car open gate. Then Musongo Ongba and Samuel Jodoneva Dibois, they take their time. With the other people them from CAF, they take their time enter for look field. Sabi say for this field for Japoma, no be na the first time where Musongo Ongba they enter. At least all the time they don't enter for day. No trouble, it no be don't ever be. Na field where they use them for African Nations Championship shan, and they be do the same work at them before that African Nations Championship shan be one even start. So Musongo Ongba is sabi this field fine, and he just come for can check if no nothing he never spoil from the team where he be level time with this Nations Cup African Nations Championship. He be start and he be look the place, then he turn to inside the Japoma field for try for see whether other thing they find. So when they finish come up for field where they look the next place, na place we play at them, they go the wash and do all kind of thing the way they be enter. Before everyone come Douala way Musongo Ongba, he be there for that side. So for Olembe, country people them, and for side for Olembe, na Minister for Sport and Physical Education, Chief Professor Narcisse Mwalekombi, where he take Veron Musongo Ongba. He show you the field on a physical say for now inside Olembe the field it don't define. The only two will never see them for them na the polls them where they never yet to come. But apart from the polls where they never to come, on a physical say all thing it don't prepare for Japoma Olembe for say make Ndamba for a Nations Cup. It start for day opening Gando as so sabi it get for happen na for inside Olembe, and after when Musongo Ongba look am, I hope say na only one he go last talk for day. For tell we whether something they way they also get for do where they never do, or something they way they still get for Adam where they never Adam. So for now, it's a bit tonton. He look the field. He see him say well Cameroon for that side. He don't surely prepare, but Sabi say after the tonton now after where they go come out them report for talk if something the way they go at or something the way they get for come out them as we it tonton look the place after where they finish come out for field. Veron Musongo Ongba and Minister for Sport. They enter now for the side the way player they must always there. Place where they go the wash, place where they go change them clothes. Make we follow them to enter for inside the place them. Una fisi say for it get plenty shower them, way or pump them, way player them. They feel wash and 4 or 5 or 10 self or even odd in the feel wash one time. So inside here, una fisi say all thing. It don't prepare. Veron Musongo Ongba see even the place where the player them they go put them their clothes before match one start. It turn look all the place them say all thing for that side. He no talk no nothing, but that's what tell una he go talk after we don't finish tonton for see whether Cameroon don't prepare or he never prepare before he go talk. He last talk now just for him for waka check in them if in them the day as we he expect them for that side. For Olembe field country people them helicopter he go feel land for day yes, na the place that way helicopter go land. So maybe pass for a 2D, he go surely use na helicopter for camp for opening Gando for that Nations Cup for Cameroon inside Olembe. So now for the way helicopter go land, then Iwaka enter for field without any problem. No nothing, no go worry when he come up for a helicopter. So now the place that way helicopter go land for that side. So for Olembe, I believe say na the only few days where you get this helicopter place for land, we know nothing, no go disturb them. So now one good thing that will meet up and for inside Olembe as we Veron Musongo Ongba, he be go for day. And one of the best picture them for the day for a waka for Olembe. Now the picture this where Veron and Narcisse Moele Kombi they be taken. The ball where they go use them for Nations Cup 2021 for Cameroon. That ball they call them na Togo. So out inside Olembe, it don't turn out fine as we say we fit for CM country people them. And just now make we talk chapter for referee the way they go blow African Nations Cup Cameroon 2021. Ngwa Blaze na the new name that will go surely sabi and for inside African Nations Cup country people them. Ngwa Blaze be the only referee who go get and we go blow match for this Nations Cup. Then apart from Ngwa Blaze where they choose for inside the 64 referee them, we get this other woman where they call it say Atezambon Fomo Karin. Make we start work on top the photo we'll get them. We get Atezambon Fomo Karin to where they choose he go be na a linesman. It means a woman we go the run for line. If you work out the photo for see the face for Atezambon Fomo Karin, and we get Elvis Guy Elvis Nupwe where itu they choose for this African Nations Cup where they come man do. If you work out on top this photo them, we get more than 3. Yes, na Atezambon Fomo Karin that where itu they don't choose and we get Guy Elvis Nupwe where they don't select them. So now 64 referees them they go come. We get around 20 referee. We get assistant, video assistant referee them. We CAF he don't choose them. So Cameroon again now 3 people them and CAF he choose this referee them from 20 African country. Now plenty people that don't talk. These indomitable lions are they are JC where they go use them for Nations Cup where they come for January country people them. Plenty they check say the JC you know Tana fine. Some of them they talk say down for Cameroon for use this one. Make we show now the one where they prefer. Say make Cameroon use them at least this one. A better pass the other one. Say this my JC one at the CM. It even better pass the one where Cameroon they plan for use and just now. But if nothing where Cox Sportive don't make them for them, who be you for talk? So the plenty people them they say the one even better pass the one way Cameroon want use them for Nations Cup just now. So people they don't start talk. Make we see the one way Gabon don't talk. Say they go use them for their own Nations Cup. JC where Gabon go use them. When I say Gabon, he don't go for this JC and he don't talk say na the one this way they go use them. So they get 3 different color them where they go use them for this Nations Cup. So now the one that where Gabon don't choose them just now for camp for Cameroon with them as we Tori enter for inside we here. We go come up for that one just now. We enter for different matter for inside Tori this afternoon country people them. Different Tori na Ivory Coast. Ivory Coast Federation, it don't talk say if Ivory Coast come Cameroon, it can take the Nations Cup. 700 million francs CFA. Now way they go give them for the player them. If they come Cameroon, they can win Nations Cup. So government for Ivory Coast already start for prepare them. Say dash it go day. If they come Cameroon, then they win the Nations Cup. 700 million francs CFA. No be na small money where they don't promise them for the elephants of Ivory Coast with them too. They go be for Cameroon for this African Nations Cup where it come next year. We talk Mola 2 country people them. Mola 2 a day for outside. We sabi say Mola it be day for that side. So for Limbe and Boya it be day on Tuesday. So Mola it be waka for roads and plenty of the population for side for Limbe and Boya they be come out for glad. Sabi say Mola na the official aboki. Me I dey call am aboki, but na the official mascot for this African Nations Cup where they come. So Mola they continue waka for other regions them as we time it go. Make we come up from Damba just now country people them. We enter fast. We take one strong number them for the newspaper. They will get them this afternoon. Guides and post. It asks na BB question between Japoma and Olembe. Now which of the feed them? It don't bring good thing for Cameroon and one the way don't bring shame for Cameroon. You go read that one for inside the guide and post. We guide and post to take time for talk for we. Team we consign minister for money. Person way the local with money for we country. Other to read them guide and post get them am for day, and other chapter them you fit buy the Guardian Post, you read them. Another newspaper wey dey outside this afternoon na The Voice magazines. The Voice e be get 5 years, and The Voice e don tell we as we e no be easy for you for reach 5 years. You get other short to read them, and people the way The Voice meet up am, una fit buy The Voice magazine for read wetin wey dey for inside. Another newspaper this afternoon, country people them wey we go enter for day na municipal update. Eto UNESCO abeg una help say make ndamba for village e turn up fine. Na tin that way Samuel Eto'o go talk for big man for UNESCO, and council for whom too e go sabi wetin they go use am or thing wey they go do for 2022 today as wey the council session go meet up. Other to read them you fit read them for inside municipal update, and we go read other newspaper them too wey dey outside country people them. We get other newspaper them where we go enter for this. So but just now make we try for read some of the case them for loss. We'll get them for inside Tori House. We get this one, Maso Tapop Senior Arien where he don't loss, and Oga Tapop in the back say any man where he see this Ngondere number for before tele 677-433-663-694-845 not 19 for call and for talk for them. Say you don't see another case for loss. We'll get now this speak with the call and say Nandong Sejo. Now the family for Nandong they announce say you don't come up for house. So any man will see this speaking 678-425-496-676 540542 na number for help for find this pikin. And last we get this other small pikin where they call it Naphtali Beruni where it too don't lost. Na Mami Lami Saratu it announce say any man we don't see Naphtali Beruni make it call the number 653-572 not 3 654-139-931. They say plenty dash wait, and part where they call it Wumafum Mbomi we don't loss. So now Oga Chakunte Leopold they announced the loss to for this papa number na 677-578-909-696-840-970 for help them for find their papa we don't loss. Now they told them that for this, okay, we get this other one where they just enter Mengan Lomfo Bikel where it too don't loss, and the family for Bugacom they announce say any man we don't see Mengan Lomfo Bikel Rikel make it try for call the number them for before tele 694-107-564-675-594-329 for help them. And Makowa Michelle, another lost case, we will get them for here. Now the family for Numo Magdalene, they announce them 696-6 number them we wanna fit for use them for call the family. So we hope say the announcement they don't end for that level. Now the announcement them that will get for case for people there they don't lost. Big thank you for Gabin, Jonathan, Jeff we put camera for my before, Malice and Manadi where they did for backside. If all thing work up, we go meet up with tomorrow the same time for morning time 1 o'clock for afternoon. Una hold am tight.